The LOKITHOR AW401 multi-use power kit is a versatile tool combining a jump starter, air compressor, flashlight, power bank, and pressure washer, ensuring you're never caught unprepared. With a powerful 2,500 ampere peak, this jump starter is capable of reviving vehicles with engines up to 8.5-liter gasoline or 6.5-liter diesel. The 150 pound per square inch air compressor, featuring Turbocharger Core Technology, efficiently inflates tires and includes various attachments for inflating other items. Its emergency power bank supports a quick charge of 60 watts, and the 500 lumens flashlight offers multiple lighting modes for different situations. The electric pressure washer function utilizes a 100-watt motor and a 16.5-foot hose, providing 8 spray modes for versatile cleaning tasks. Compact and easy to store, this all-in-one power station is ideal for camping or off-roading, offering long-lasting protection with minimal charging needs.